Hi, Smith. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
So, what inspired you to appear for the UPSC Civil Services examination?
I think for me personally, to make my parents proud was always an eternal source of inspiration to appear in this examination. And besides that, UPSC provides you an opportunity to serve the large section of society very positively. And as I am a student of political science, it is always good to empower the people through the power. So this was my inspiration.
All right. So, how did you manage your time during preparation, especially considering the vast syllabus?
I think this is the eternal question that every aspirant faces, that to how to manage the vast syllabus. So for me, the simple solution was to divide the vast syllabus into the small modules. For example, in the geography, I used to divide the geography into the oceanography, into climatology and geomorphology. So at a time, I used to pick one module and cover that. So in this regard, I used to manage the syllabus into a time-bound manner.
So, did you prepare your own notes, or which core books and resources did you rely on for your preparation?
It is always said that you have to prepare your own notes and you have to prepare the short notes because revision is the key in this examination. The core source or the one source that has decided my foundations, the NCRT books. So I would give the credit to the NCRT books that has created the foundation for my preparation. However, it is very hectic and tedious job to create notes out of the NCRT because 6 to 12th standard के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा NCRTs होती है. So for NCRTs के notes के regarding, I had to rely on an external source. And in this regard, NCRT series by the Ostwal books I use. और उसमें सब क्लास वाइज समरी थी और प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस भी थे. So that used to help me a lot, especially in the second attempt of mine. And besides that, I tried to make short notes of each syllabus के जो keywords होते हैं उसके ऊपर मैंने short notes बनाने का try किया था.
Okay, so what advice would you give as parents preparing for the UPSC exam?
I think one advice that I would want to give each and every aspirants of UPSC would be to keep your mindset very cool. You have to be very positive in this tedious UPSCs के जो cycle है ये बहुत tedious हो जाती है, तो it is always advisable to keep your mindset very positive, and this is the only thing that will give you maximum output. So all the best to all the aspirants. All the best.
All right, thank you.